Differentiated instruction may mean teaching the same materials to all students using a variety of instructional strategies, or it may require the teachers to deliver lessons at varying levels of difficulty based on the ability of each student and also the process of tailoring lessons to meet each student's individual interests, needs, and strengths. We have the 5 tips for differentiated instructional. First, don't grade every bit of paper. Grading every piece of paper is quite time consuming and difficult. The second is respond to students as individuals and offer choices. The third is ask students what they need. That is one of the important tips. Don't differentiate every lesson every day. And the last is build differentiate with a body. 4 ways to differentiate instruction. First is the content. Match vocabulary words to definitions. Read a passage of text and answer related questions. Identify an author's position. Provide evidence to support this viewpoint. Create a PowerPoint presentation summarizing the lesson. And the second is product. Read and write learners. Write a book report. Visual learners. Create a graphic organizer of the story. Auditory learners give an oral report. Kinesthetic learners build a diorama illustrating the story. The third is process. Provide textbooks for visual and word learners. Allow auditory learners to listen to audio books to give kinesthetic learners the opportunity to complete an interactive assignment online. Lastly is environment. Breaks students into reading groups to discuss the assignment. Allow students to read individually if preferred. Create quiet spaces where there are no distractions. Another example of differentiating instruction is creating literature circles. While this sounds like an English concept, it can be applied in any class where you can group students with leveled texts. Students could all be reading about the Civil War, but they could be reading a text that is at their reading level. Teaching this way gives students choice and flexibility in how they learn and helps teachers personalize learning.